This video teaches you how to use Microsoft Word to create a billing invoice. Downloading a free template. Type invoice into the search bar and press Enter. A list of matching results will appear. Click an invoice to see a preview. Click Create to use the template. This downloads the template and opens it automatically. Replace the pre-filled information with your own. Save your completed invoice. Creating an invoice from scratch. Click Blank Document on the new screen. Create an invoice heading. Display the invoice date. Number the invoice. Every invoice should contain a unique number, in a sequence, for your records. Add the company's logo. Add your company's address or contact information. Add the client's address or contact information. Create an itemized list of products sold or services rendered. Display the total bill amount. Include the terms of payment. Save your completed invoice. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.